Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Akib and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use a form to collect leads and send those leads to a CRM application automatically. So here we have taken the example of Pabbly Form Builder and Zoho CRM, and we are going to set up an automation which will let you collect the leads from the form and add those leads into the CRM automatically. Let me show you how it is going to work. So here you can see here you just have to create a form, and to make a form we have used Pabbly Form Builder. In place of this you can use JotForm, Typeform or any form building application, and here we have used Zoho as CRM. You can use any other CRM application as well. And here if any person, any interested visitor of your website or with whom you have shared this form is going to fill this form and submit the form, the same person, the data of the same person is going to be added as a contact in Zoho CRM application automatically. So you need not to manually sort out the details of a lead and add the lead one by one here in the CRM. As and when this form is submitted, the data is going to be transferred here automatically. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, this automation is going to save a huge amount of time and manual efforts of yours. And guys, the best part of setting up this automation is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge. So any person can set up this automation very easily. So now let's set up this automation together. So the first step to set up this automation, guys, is to log in into your Pabbly Connect account and reach the dashboard here. So to reach here, you can use the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and it will give you 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so after setting up your account, you can log in and reach the dashboard here. And guys, on this page you have to start working by creating a workflow. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on this create workflow button, and here you can give any suitable name to your workflow. So let me fill the name here as Pabbly Form Builder, Pabbly Form Builder to Zoho CRM automation. Okay, now you can click here on this create button and you can see your workflow getting created on this page like this. And here you will find the basic building blocks of this automation, which is the trigger and the action. So this automation is going to function on these two things. So the trigger is the happening of an event which is going to trigger or start this workflow, and action would be the response towards the trigger. So as in our use case, the trigger would be a form submission received from the Pabbly form, and the action would be to send the data as a contact in Zoho CRM of the person who have filled the form automatically. Okay, so first of all you have to click here on this trigger section, and from this choose a field, choose your trigger application as Pabbly Form Builder. Here it is. Okay, and in the trigger event you have to select new form submission option, and it will give you this URL. This is called as a webhook URL, guys, and it is used to fetch the data out from an external application to here in Pabbly Connect. So with the help of this, we are going to make the connection with Pabbly Form Builder by following these instructions written here. Okay, so let me show you how you can make this connection. So reach to your Pabbly Form Builder's dashboard. This is my dashboard, and here I have all these forms created. I am going to use this one, connect with us form, which is a kind of contact form. All right, so from here click on this integrations option from the left hand side panel, and under the integrations you will find this list here. So from the forms list, first of all select your form. This is it, and here you have to create a webhook by clicking on this create webhook button, and here in this add webhook field you have to paste the webhook URL that you have got here. So copy this webhook URL and paste it here in this field like this, and then click on save, and you will be connected. New webhook will be added here like this. All right, and as you add this webhook here in your workflow, you will find this kind of response. It will show you a label and value. Okay, now you have to click here on this recapture webhook response button, then click on yes, and it will start showing waiting for the webhook's response. So this means, guys, now you have to perform a test submission, or you have to fill the form on the behalf of any test lead, and we are going to capture the data of that lead here from the form in Pabbly Connect. Okay, So I'm going to open my form which I have created here. Let me show you from the dashboard. So this is the form. I'm opening this form here, and I'm going to fill the details of this form on the behalf of any demo person. Let's say the name of the person is Aaron Smith. The email is this. The phone number is this. Alright, and these are the address details. Okay. Right, and I'm going to submit this form. You can see the form is submitted. Now let's check in Pabbly Connect if we got the date of this form submission. And here you can see in this response received section, we got the details of the form submission as this. Here you can see the details of the person who have filled the form. Alright, now I want to add this person into my CRM application, which is Zoho CRM, this one, in this contacts list. For that to happen automatically, you need to connect Zoho CRM here in the Actions tab. So from this Actions tab, search for Zoho CRM. This is it. Okay. And in the action event, you have to select create contact option, then click on connect here. And from this window, select add new connection, then click on connect with Zoho CRM. Alright, now it is asking for the domain in which your CRM accounts belongs. So guys, this is my Zoho account, and it is showing here zoho.com. Okay, so you have to copy this zoho.com. Alright, and paste it here like this, then click on save. Alright, and that will bring you to the login window if you are not logged in Zoho. And if you are logged in like me, it will just ask for these accesses. So you just have to click on accept here, and you will be connected with Zoho in a few moments. Like this. So we are connected to Zoho CRM. Now you can select the lead source from this list. It is a cold call or referral or online store. Alright, so you can select from this list. I am selecting, let's say, advertisement. Now you have, it is asking for the first name, last name, email, and all these things to create a contact in Zoho CRM. So I'm going to use the data that I have received here in this first step, and I'm going to map this data here in this second step. So to map the first name, just click here and you will find this Pabbly Form Builder step in the drop down. That was the first step, and when you click on it, you will find all the data that you have received in the first step. So from here only you can map the first name. For the last name, use the same process. Alright, for the email, use the same process and map all the things. So okay, so I'm not adding any title or the department because I do not have this data. So these are not compulsory things. You can leave these things blank, or if you have this data, you can map it. For the phone number, map the phone number from the first step. I do not have fax or mobile. Okay, I do not have date of birth. Okay, so if this person is opted out for emailers, you can make it yes or no. For now, I'm making it no. Alright, so for the address, let me map the address because I have the address details here like this. I have the zipping country as well. Alright, let me map the city as well. Alright, so I have mapped enough details. Now you can check your connection with Zoho CRM by clicking on save and send test request, and a new contact will be added here in this list. Okay, so I'm clicking on save and send test request, and this is the response we have received. Now let me show you in my CRM application if we got the data of a new contact. Let me refresh this contacts list, and here you can see Aaron Smith got added here. Okay, so this is how it is going to work, guys, and we are done setting up the automation, and it is of just 2 steps. You can see first in the trigger I connected Pabbly Form Builder, and by following these instructions we made the connection and captured the data of a demo or a test lead here like this. After that, in this Actions tab, I connected Zoho CRM and mapped the data like this to create a contact. So when you map the data like this, what will happen, as and when you receive a new form submission, this data is going to change and the new contact will be added here. So you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually. After that, it is going to run automatically. Okay, and guys, the good part is you can use this same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start running this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.